what I have to say, especially reacting to many things that Herman said and you said, is that especially if you live in Europe and in the northern part, which is going to be soon here, the apocalypse is already happening. So what came out of comments that Ivan and Herman and Lisa made is that we are actually living and have to prepare for post-apocalypse, because the apocalypse, the train has left the station. Nothing will help Brandon. The train has left the station. The apocalypse is happening now in Europe and in United States and in China. And in the next 4 months, it's going to happen in Southern Asia and Australia. And I think what we're discussing here is already, what do you do post-apocalypse? Because Herman likes to use the term apocalypse blindness. I don't think that people are blind anymore once their houses are floods and they smell the Canadian smoke all over Chicago and New York and everywhere. So you can't be blind anymore. So I think we are really in a new stage, and there's a new shift happening, and we are really in a post-apocalypse planning, thinking, what do we do now that it's already happening?
I don't know that it's post. It might be, maybe there's a middle, like an ongoing
transition in
post-apocalypse
transition. I think. So what are you saying, David?
No, I'm saying that there's a shift really happen now.
I agree.
Also in the realization of,
so the question is,
how do you survive? Taking your point of survival, Ivan, how do you survive not inside the apocalypse and post-apocalypse? Because you have to think how you manage your life on the level of family, city, country, on different levels, how you do survive and mitigate the disaster that is happening. That's what I'm saying.
Yeah, what I love about what you're saying is, in a way, there's a writer called Alex Steffen, and he wrote a beautiful article. I shared it, called "We're Not Ready for What Has Already Happened." Oh, yeah. And at the level of consciousness, it has already happened. And once we realize it has already happened, we realize that we're not ready for what has already happened. And so then that takes, Lisa said, we're moving into this transitional consciousness that says, it's already happened, you know, the ship has sunk or is in the process of sinking quickly. What will we do now that we are aware of it? And